This next drill, my partner is going to do a very important transition. Transition is a key element in Jiu-Jitsu. And it starts from the top mount position, and then it transitions into the knee on the stomach from the side control. All right, so here we go. My partner is on top of me, okay? And in this drill, he keeps his hands pinned against my shoulder to give him a little bit of support. And he's gonna kind of lean his chest down and coil his legs and spin. He keeps the knee. Okay, let's do it again. One more time. Good job. When you spin out, do you mind putting your knee on my belly? Okay, go ahead. Yes, and push out the leg right away. Yes. Now he's gonna reset the position by hiding the leg that's posted under the elbow, and then he slides the knee and moves the head out of the way. Yeah, boom, right there. Now he leans and spins the other way. Post, keep your leg a little far out so you have more weight distribution. Hide that elbow, the knee on the elbow, and slide your knee through. Yes. And here right now, lean forward, kick your legs out and spin. Yes, post. Very nice. Hide your knee under the elbow. Slide, turn your head, and one more time. Lean, no, stop, turn it again. Lean forward, kick your legs out, post. Nice. Hide your knee under the elbow. Yeah, slide your knee through. And now dismount to the other side one more time. Yes. Now when you hide that knee, I want to see inside my elbow, not on top of my elbow. So yeah, right there. Very nice. Just the last time to the other side, please. Yes, yes, 1, 2. Hide inside my elbow. Yes. Knee slice. And here we go. Thank you.